I'm gonna put it right here. Pete the cat. Crayon rocks. Pete loves his big box of groovy.
Yeah.
Crayon. He loves to draw things like cars, trucks, flowers, and trees, and most of all, the big blue sea. Farm rocket, no, what? A farm rocket, red, and a cool cat blue, with a box of crayons with I do nothing Pete I can do. One day Pete I deliver to draw something new. His friends using the of colors is so much fun. Pete wanted her to use
Every
one. He scribbled and drew a great big smile. His drawing
word.
well,
They were groovy.
they were groovy and rocket will die. Crayon rock. Pete was proud of the pictures he drew. He hoped his friends will dig them too. Pete showed Grumble those first.
Grumpy.
Grumble,
Grumpy.
Grumpy.
Mm-hmm.
Grumpy toes first. Grumpy too sad. The like white. Those colors are way too bright. Hey, no feet. That's all right. The next one will be what?
Dynamite. Do you know what dynamite is? Yeah. Exposed.
It's like music. Pete showed
Gus.
his a picture too.
Gus
asked who is the support to be it. Does it really look like me? In our class, the teacher asked Pete, what are you going to make? I don't know.
Afraid.
Afraid of making a mistake. Pete looked it. Locked it around Gus drew the
Coolest.
here.
Let's go with that.
Coolest
Mhm.
superheroes here.
Callie.
Cauliflowers were awesome.
Out of sight.
Out of sight.
Mm-hmm. Out.
Out of sight.
Mm-hmm.
Grumpy model.
Motorcycle.
Oh, so motorcycle was just right.
The
gang
gang.
locked it at Pete and said, no, free it all right. Does it have to be just right? The teacher
Agreed.
agreed. It should be fun. Is for everyone. From Rocket Red, a cool cat, blue with a box of crayons. Nothing you can do. Pete smiled. There are no rules. It's no big deal. All is about how it makes you feel.
Yes.
Mom, stop talking. He tried again.
Instead of
Instead of drawing, they one by one. Pete drew the wall. Gang just having fun. Wow, way to go, Pete. That a rocket
masterpiece.
masterpiece. Grumpy, Toast, Gus, and Kyle.
Callie. Agreed.
Agreed.
Pete's picture.
Picture was off the chairs.
Off the charts.
Chart. See that the gravity thinks about art.
Cereal or waffle?
Cereal. The best art becomes the hot crayon rocks.
Right. That's it.
At the end.
The end.